Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Planner. We'll explore Notion's incredible flexibility, allowing you to build almost any system you can imagine, from personal notes to complex project management. Then, we'll look at Microsoft Planner, a straightforward tool designed for team task organization within the Microsoft 365 ecosystem. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of which tool best suits your specific needs. Notion is a powerhouse for customization, offering a blank canvas to build your ideal workspace. You can create interconnected pages, robust databases, and utilize hundreds of community-made templates for virtually any purpose. Whether managing intricate projects, organizing personal knowledge, or crafting content calendars, Notion provides unparalleled flexibility. It truly adapts to your unique workflow, making it a highly personalized digital environment. Microsoft Planner shines in its simplicity and seamless integration within the Microsoft 365 suite. It provides a visual, board-based approach to task management, perfect for teams needing a clear overview of who is doing what. Tasks are easily assigned, categorized into buckets, and tracked with intuitive progress indicators. For quick, collaborative task organization, especially if you're already using Microsoft Teams, Planner is an excellent, straightforward choice. So, which tool is better for you? If you crave deep customization, personal knowledge management, and building intricate systems, Notion is your go-to. However, if you need a simple, visual tool for team task management that integrates effortlessly with Microsoft 365, Planner is ideal. Consider your primary use case. Do you need ultimate flexibility or straightforward team collaboration? Your choice will depend on these key factors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.